Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with the new updates on the crypto market and I'm going to share with you what I can see on the chart. Stay with me and enjoy. As we discussed yesterday, after the Bitcoin broke down through this broadening wedge with the yellow lines, I was expecting Bitcoin to have a bounce about this area and after that drop to the lower price, but what it happened, Bitcoin went down straight away after came back and did test this yellow line. Actually Bitcoin went to the down straight away, which is about I think 5% or something like that. Yeah, it's exactly about the 5.4%, 5.5%. And this area which I folded for myself as a zone, Bitcoin actually bouncing at this area about the 10,370. And it's working well actually. But what I'm expecting on Bitcoin doing in next few days actually, I think Bitcoin, if could bounce about this area, maybe around the 10,400 and 10,500, if Bitcoin can bounce and moving like a sideways in this area, I think Bitcoin is going back to test about the $11,000 or maybe $10,800, which is more possible if we check in this zone. I think 10,750 is more possible for Bitcoin. Why? Because on the 4-hour time frame we have got actually a bullish divergence on the RSI. If we check it out in here, we have got a bit bullish divergence on the RSI, which the is actually a hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence. RSI is making a lower low, but Bitcoin is making a higher low on the price. If we go on the bigger time frame, which we go on the daily time frame, I'm going to show you something else. Let me just change the chart. Okay, I did notice that one since a few days ago actually, or a few weeks ago. I was expecting Bitcoin to make a move in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this 5 is actually a bit low for myself and don't think Bitcoin is going that low. I'm expecting Bitcoin to play in this area as we have got a falling wedge in here. I'm expecting Bitcoin to play in this area and after that break to the upside. Now everyone is faithful. If we check the Fair and Greed index for the Bitcoin, everyone is fearful at the moment. Maybe we see in next few days it's going lower than that, maybe around the 30 or something like that. But what I'm expecting from Bitcoin to do what nobody expect that and bounce about this area and after that make a huge move to the upside. As everyone expecting Bitcoin to go lower than that, I think Bitcoin is going the opposite of that one. The other thing I'm going to show you on the daily time frame is actually the 20, 50 and 200 daily moving average. If we check it out in here, Bitcoin at the moment, the yellow one is the 50 and the blue one is 20 and the red one is the 200. Bitcoin actually at the moment is playing between the 220 MA on the daily time frame, and I don't think Bitcoin at the moment gonna break the 200 moving average to the downside. And if it happens in the next few days, it's all right because the 4-hour time frame is really low at the moment, and even the daily RSI I think it's low as well. That was for the 4-hour and that was for the daily one. And yeah, if you check it out in here, we do not have any bullish divergence or bearish divergence. Actually, no, we do not have any bullish or bearish divergence on the RSI for the Bitcoin at the moment. But what I'm expecting from Bitcoin to break to the upside again and go back to test the 10,800 area and after that Bitcoin decide which way it's gonna go. Maybe it goes to the upside, and maybe the bull's gonna push the Bitcoin price to the upside more, or Bitcoin is or the bear is gonna step in the market again and make a huge sell again, because all the market is going down at the moment. If we check it out on the S&P, actually all the market is going down at the moment. And I'm gonna show you the Ethereum as well now. And if we check the Ethereum price, as we discussed yesterday, if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, as we discussed yesterday, I told you after Bitcoin is breaking down through this the lower line, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to around the $307 actually area, and which is the lower support for us with the yellow line. I'm expecting that one. And we had the big shadow, we had a big week on August 2nd, and after that Ethereum made a huge move to the upside. Now Ethereum is going back to test this area. I'm expecting Ethereum to hold this area for now, maybe at least for a few days or weeks. And if you check the dollar, actually DXY, we are seeing that one is made a huge rally yesterday to the upside, as I was expecting this one. I told you this is just retesting this green line as a support for the dollar, and we're gonna see a huge run to the upside. As we bold this area as a zone for us, dollar is actually reacting to this zone for now, maybe for a few days, or maybe less than that or more than that, we are not sure at the moment. But if dollar can bounce here and make a pump again and go back to the upside, I think this area is gonna be a huge resistance for us. And after that, we might see dollar going back to the downside, and we're gonna see a huge run to the stock market and Bitcoin. Or if dollar can break to the upside about this area, the next resistance for us is actually 96, which is really high, and we are going to see another drop on the stock market, gold, and cryptocurrency as well. But what I'm expecting, actually, it gonna makes there is no decision. There is no, just leave it like that. If we go to the downside, we're gonna see bounce and run on the cryptocurrency. If we go to the upside, if dollar go to the upside, we're gonna see a crash on the crypto market. And actually, that was all for me for today. I hope you enjoyed that one, and see you guys in the next one.